Today we are going to do my favorite effortless hair look that takes not much time at all and is perfect if you don't have a lot of hair. Now you can do this on straight hair, absolutely, but I just don't feel like it has the same oomph in straight hair as it does if you do it in hair that is kind of curly or has a lot of body like I do today. If you want to get the same curl and body that I got in my hair today, here is the video up here, how I got that. It is with the air wrap tool, but any curls that you want or any amount of volume is going to kind of give your hair that extra oomph that really makes or breaks this style. The other thing I'm going to use is a couple bobby pins. I do buy my bobby pins in blonde. I suggest that you buy bobby pins that match your hair color because it makes it a heck of a lot easier hiding bobby pins in your hair. Obviously, if I was to use a black bobby pin, I mean, they're so obvious. Even your standard kind of bronzy brown bobby pin, it just looks black in my hair. It's not black. It's that, you know, standard light brown color, but once it's in my hair, it looks black, as opposed to these blonde guys. They're just generic bobby pins. You can get them at Walmart, the dollar store. I have some linked to my Amazon storefront. I'll put that in the description. Doesn't matter the brand. Honestly, all bobby pins that I've tried work the same. The only difference I find with bobby pins is the ones that I get have, there we go, try to get it to focus. So the little round bits on the end, oh my gosh, they are all one piece. If you get some cheaper bobby pins, I'm not sure if any of my bobby pins have it. Let me see. Oh yeah, these ones, these hair pins do. Oh, and this bobby pin does. So some bobby pins have those little plastic ends. I don't love those because if they come off, the bobby pin becomes basically unusable because it scratches your head and pulls your hair. These ones, it is not a plastic end. It is all one piece, so you can never lose little round ends. So that's the Goody brand ones, and I do have some that are like that linked in my Amazon storefront. Oh, my camera won't focus now. There we go. And you can get those, but honestly they'll both work the same otherwise. To start off with the front, we're going to do a very deep side part. So we're just going to pull all the hair over like this. I'm not going to go too far. I'm not going to go so far that my hair is going to do this, right? We don't want it to like do that. So when I say a deep side part, that's going to be different for everyone. As far over as you can go without looking like, you know, you've tried to side comb your hair. Decide which side you want to part it on. It looks like I'm going to get more volume parting it this way today. So that's the way we're going to go. Perfect. And now let's do the style.
I use my fingers to rake my hair back. I like to leave mine loose and a bit messy, but you can definitely use a brush and make it a bit more sleek if that's more your vibe. I twist it, and then once I pull the twist up to my head, I twist the base on itself, so you get this little French roll looking pit. And then I take my bobby pin, and I only need two because my hair is quite thin. When you're using the bobby pin, you want to make sure that one bit of the bobby pin is touching the roll and one bit of the bobby pin is touching the base of your head. I stick it in the roll, I go over, I stick it in by my head, and then I flip and push it in. The bobby pin should stay closed the entire time. You don't want to open it and force a ton of hair through.
And that is literally it. I just feel like when you've tossed your hair up like this, it's like I'm just hanging out around the house and doing my laundry, but I look fabulous. It's like this effortless, I didn't need to do my hair look, but looks really pretty. Obviously that you can tell that if you did it with straight hair, it's not going to have quite the same impact. It's going to be different depending on if you have bangs or not, or what kind of bangs you have, anything like that. So give it a try when you just want to look cute, hanging out around the house, or if you're running to do some errands, picking up the kids from school, or even as a style to go out in, because if you dress the right way and not in a tracksuit like I'm in today, this style can also look super put together and really pretty. I love it. One of my favorites and one of my go-tos when I don't want to look dressed up, but I still want to look put together. So I hope that gives you another style that you can try for your thin, fine hair, and that you have some fun learning how to play with and love your hair as much as I love my hair. Thank you so much for watching today. Please like and subscribe because it really helps me out here on my channel. Share my videos with your friends that have hair like us. And don't forget to check back 3 times a week to see all of the videos that I post so you don't miss any. Hit that notification bell and you'll never miss any. Bye.